Welcome to Intelle Learn, your ultimate source for learning. So in today's video, we are going to learn about what is Python. Python is a high-level interpreted general-purpose programming language known for its simple syntax and readability. In simple words, with the help of the Python's simple syntax, it is used to build softwares, websites, apps, and also in data analysis and much more. What are the key features of Python? It is easy to learn and read, interpreted, cross-platform language. It can be used in Windows, Linux, Mac OS, large library support, having thousands of ready-made modules, and beginner-friendly and powerful. It is used by students and companies alike. What can you do with Python? We can go in website development, in artificial intelligence and machine learning, data analysis and data scientist, game development, and desktop applications. So this is all about Python, which we are going to learn about. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section below. Please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more further video updates. If you don't know about the history of Python, make sure to watch my previous video related to the history of Python. Thank you.